Hello my dear children. So in our last video we watched about parts of speech, a little bit of introduction about each and every parts of speech and exclusively about noun and parts of noun. Yes, 5 parts of noun: proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun and abstract noun. We got to know about all these 5 parts of noun with examples. Yes, so you must have already practiced about this topic, and now as promised in my previous video we are going to explore a little more about noun. We never know that these topics come under noun, but here there are few topics written on the board already which completely are part and parcel of noun. And when you have to talk about noun, or when you are asked to explain about noun, you need to cover even these topics. We don't know that singular and plural, or these things come into noun. Yes, did we ever know that countable and uncountables are nouns? No. At the same time, singulars and plurals of noun, this is called noun number. And here we have noun gender. Gender means we just know masculine gender and feminine gender, but here we have 4 classifications of gender. Yes, this topic is called noun gender. Okay, so let us explore about noun, and with this session we are going to end about noun, and our next sessions will be on next parts of speech like pronoun. Probably pronoun will be our next video. So let us watch what it is. Firstly, I have written here about countable and uncountable nouns. So here you will have a doubt. You must have already read these examples written like countable pen, river, student, TV. Okay, and when river is a countable noun, why can't water be a countable noun? Okay, this will be your doubt. So let me clarify all your doubts. I am going to explain what the stuff of this is, and your questions, your answers, everything I am going to deal today. Okay, so let's go for countable noun. Countable noun, nouns which can be counted, like 1 pen, 2 pens, 3 pens, 4 pens. Okay, 2 chalks, 3 chalks, 4 chalks. How many rivers are there in our country? 1 river, 2 rivers, 3 rivers, 4 rivers. How many perennial rivers and how many non-perennial rivers? Yes, 1 perennial river, 2 perennial rivers, 4 non-perennial rivers. What? How many rivers are there in Telangana? 1 river, 2 rivers, 3 rivers or 4 rivers? How many rivers? Yes, so here I am easily able to count how many rivers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 this way. Yes, the same way. How many students are there in your class, or how many students are there in your section? How many students are there in your school, or how many students are there in your college or university? I can count like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, so I can count these students also. The same way TV. How many televisions are displayed in the showroom? How many televisions are there at home? How many televisions are there in your school to show you beautiful, useful teaching videos? Yes, so how many televisions? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have only 1 television at home. I don't have 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, if we go to showroom, we'll have many televisions like 10, 15, 20, 30, 40, 50, depending on the occupancy of that shop. Yes, so by this you understood that all those examples what I have given comes under countable nouns, because we can count them as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on and on and on and on. Now let's go to uncountable nouns. Air. Air is uncountable. Can I count it like 1 air, 2 air, 3 airs, 4 airs? No. So definitely that is uncountable noun. Water. 1 water, 2 waters, 3 waters? No. 1 liter of water bottle, 2 liter water bottle, that is different. But here I am talking about core water. I am not specifically mentioning that liter. Yes, one water, two waters is not possible to talk. So, water comes under uncountable noun. Alright children, the next one is going to be sand. Can I count one sand? Can I just take it in my palm and can I count one sand, two sands, three sands, four sands, five sands? No, that is not possible. One bag of sand, two bags of sand, that is different again. Here I am talking specifically about sand. So that sand I can't count like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, so sand is uncountable noun. Next comes like rice, milk, one milk, two milks, three milks, four milks. No. Advice, one advice, two advice, three advice. No. Piece of advice is again considered as, you know, one word, piece of advice, one advice. He gave me one advice, he gave me two advices, they gave me 5 advices. That is absolutely wrong. Okay, rain. There was a heavy rainfall or there was a heavy downpour in the city. One rainfall, two rainfalls, three rainfalls. Crazy, right? No, we shouldn't use one rain, two rains, three rains, four rains, five rains, six rains. Yes, so these all, and there are many more words, comes under uncountable nouns. Those nouns which can be counted like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are all countable nouns, and those nouns which cannot be called 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that, all those comes under uncountable nouns. I hope I am clear so far. Okay, let's quickly move on to noun number. Noun number is always singular and plural. Very simple topic. I need not explain more. Like boy is singular, boys is plural. Girl is singular, girls is plural. Women, M-A-N, women is singular and women, W-O-M-E-N is plural. I didn't put it on the board since the place is less. So stepson. So all these, you know, tables, you know, up to here it is very simple one. But here are 3 different singular and plural words given to you which you have to memorize. Okay, stepson, stepsons is plural. Maid servant is singular, maid servants is plural. Spoonful is singular. What will be plural? What will be plural? Spoonsful, right? You will definitely tell spoonsful, but it is not spoonsful, it is spoonfuls. Spoonfuls. Here we get confused. That's why I wrote it on the board. Spoonful is singular, spoonfuls is plural. Do memorize this word. Often such kind of confusing words will be asked in our question paper. Okay, this is all about singular and plural, and now very quickly let's enter into the most important topic, noun gender. What genders do we know? Basically, we know masculine gender and feminine gender, and very rarely we know about neuter gender. Yes, but here we have 4 genders: masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender and neuter gender. So masculine gender I need not explain much about. All male things come under masculine gender. But there is something more to learn about this masculine gender. Here I have written very simple things. Simple things will be very less in my classes. So man comes under masculine gender, at the same time women comes under feminine gender. Tiger comes under masculine and tigress comes under feminine gender. Now let's explore more about this masculine and feminine gender. Okay, always women is compared to earth. Earth has lots of patience, the same way women also has the patience. Inbuilt chip given to us, you know, inbuilt chip provided by God to us, that is patience for women. So patience. Those creatures on the earth, you know, including earth, that which has peace, honesty, you know, not honesty, peace, okay, ability to bear anything, soft natured, smooth going, all these things come under feminine gender. And quite opposite to this, all those rough ones, scary things, you know, dangerous things, all those things, harsh ones come under masculine gender. As always described, like masculine gender or men are always tough. Of course women is also tougher than men at times, most of the times, not at times, but here in grammatical terms all those tough ones, difficult ones, dangerous ones, stubborn ones are categorized under masculine gender. For example, storm or tufan in Telugu, even in Hindi we call it as tufan, yes. So such things, storms come under masculine gender because dangerous, very strong things. And then thorn in Telugu we call it mullu. Yes, that is also a dangerous thing. That's why that is categorized under masculine gender. Summer, scorchy summer. Can we bear this summer? Can we go out? Yes. Can we go for a long walk? Evening walks, okay, after 6:30 we can think of evening walks. But in the morning like 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, can we go for a walk? During summers? No. Scorchy, irritating, dangerous. Yes, that's why summer is put in masculine gender. Next comes winter. Winter is also a terrific thing. Yes, now we are in winter season. Can we get up early in the morning? No. Can we just go for a walk in the evening? No. Very immediately we start sneezing. Achhi starts. Yes, so that is also horrible thing, dangerous thing. Yes, that which troubles us. So that's why that is also put under masculine gender. Take it easy. I'm just adding little bit humor to this so that you will remember it. Not my intention is not to telecast masculine gender little low. No, that is not my intention at all. Just to make my students memorize things easily in a funny manner, the explanation goes. Next comes time. Will time wait for anyone? No, that is also a dangerous thing. So that also comes under masculine gender. And next comes death, the most dangerous thing. Yes, that is also into masculine gender. Now let's quickly enter into feminine gender. Feminine gender will always give us peace of mind, happiness, okay, pleasure, okay, smooth going, all those things come under feminine gender. What are those? Breeze. Just go to a beach and feel that breeze, you feel so happy, you feel so delighted. So that comes under feminine gender. Next comes flower. As soon as you look at a beautiful flower, see, beautiful flower, women is beautiful, flower is also beautiful. So such beautiful things, beautiful creatures on this world comes under feminine gender. Flower is also very much delicate, women is also considered delicate, but flower comes into feminine gender. Next comes earth. Earth, we dig, we stamp, we hit, we kick, we do all nonsense things on earth. But earth has got lots of patience, and at the same time women also has got lots of patience to bear all nonsense stuff that is happening with us. Yes, so earth is also considered as feminine gender. Next comes moon. Moon in Telugu we call it Chandamama. Mama, that comes under masculine gender, but here moon gives us that light, that fresh feeling, and if it is full moon day we just enjoy that sight of viewing and that feeling of happiness, pleasure. That's why moon is also considered as feminine gender. Then comes spring, change of season, the blooming flowers and all that, that is also feminine gender. Justice, Nyaya Devata in Telugu, yes, Nyaya Devata, justice is also feminine gender. Mercy, peace, hope, all these are also into feminine gender. There are many more things that come under feminine gender and masculine gender. Since the board only is this much, I had to stop my words here. There are many words where you can explore more about masculine and feminine gender. Okay, don't get confused. If someone asks like what is masculine gender in this sentence, where you find this flower, then you will search where is female name, where is where is female name or where is male name, to find out where is that word you find. But there any of such words may be there in that sentence which you do not know that comes into masculine gender or feminine gender. So do always remember that all the tough, stubborn, dangerous things are all masculine gender, and all those soft, smooth, delighting, entertaining things come under feminine gender. Next comes to common gender and neuter gender. So I hope I am clear with masculine and feminine gender. Let's go on with common and neuter gender. Before that, I just want you all to take a screenshot of this immediately so that you can make a note of all these points in your classwork. That's why I made a move. I just moved aside. I hope you all have taken a screenshot of this. Okay. Yeah, let's quickly go to common gender and neuter gender. What is common gender? Just in the previous class we learnt what is a common noun. Yes, that can be either male or female, not considering whether about the gender. We call them like parents, teachers, children, priest, thief, enemy, soldier, cousin, animal. When we look at the animal, do we concentrate whether it is a male or female? When we see a teacher, teacher is teacher, whether it is sir or ma'am, but teacher is teacher. Yes, when we look at a priest, do we think whether it is a man or a female? Female priests are also there. Yes. Then comes under enemy. That enemy can be either male or female. So there where there is no requirement of specifically mentioning about male or female, and such kind of things come under common gender. Okay, teacher is a useful resource to school. Identify noun here, definitely teacher, that comes under common noun, and also that is classified into that is also a part and parcel of this noun gender. Okay, next comes neuter gender, that which is neither male nor female, and here I can also extend my definition like all non-living things come under neuter gender. Okay, like pen, book, table, house, all these things are nouns. Okay, this noun, okay, pen can plastic is material noun, but pen is a countable noun. More specifically, if I have to talk about gender, that comes under neuter gender. You will not know pen, what kind of a pen, pen, what gender will pen come into? Feminine gender? No. Neuter gender? No, because non-living. Can I categorize into common noun gender? No, that is also not a thing, So which part that is going to suit for us? Neuter gender. Non-living things. Okay, when asked specifically about gender, definitely you can categorize them without going for a second thought. You can just throw that into the dump of neuter gender. Okay, I hope you all understood today's session in a very better manner, and you can also explore more about it. This is what all about countable, uncountable nouns, singular and plural number of nouns, then noun gender, masculine, feminine, common and neuter genders. I want you all to make a note of all these things in your classworks or in your notebooks for further revision. That's all about noun, and let's catch up again with another interesting video on another parts of speech, that is pronoun, very shortly. Okay, that's all for today. See you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Bye bye.